Today we're down in Ballylore in Thurles, County Tipperary, where Ireland Wastewater is providing a full turnkey wastewater solution for the beautiful Noan House here behind me. Our turnkey solution consists of, last summer we carried out a full percolation test. We've designed a full wastewater treatment system, tertiary filter and gravel bed. To fast forward to today, where we're in site, we're supplying our EuroBio Circle 7 system and constructing a gravel bed, and to a later stage we'll be providing full maintenance and a maintenance contract to the homeowner. For this site, we supplied our EuroBio secondary wastewater treatment system. There's 4 reasons why the EuroBio wastewater treatment system is a very economic system. First of all, quality. We use precast concrete, very strong, very durable material, and as we all know, concrete lasts the test of time. High treatment performance, we have pollutant removal up to 99.7%. Reliability, our systems use very high quality components inside the tank to ensure a long lifespan. And as well as that, cost effective. Our systems don't run continuously, so very low energy costs. The EuroBio secondary wastewater treatment system installed is fully certified to the Irish standards EN 1256 Part 3 and SR 66, and our tertiary filter fully certified to the Irish standards EN 1256 Part 7. These systems are all fully compatible with the building regulations and the EPA code practice and the NSCI. Our Circle 7 is a fully certified tertiary filter. The Circle 7 can go after any Part 3 wastewater treatment system because we got it tested independently. What's great about the gravel bed after the Circle 7, there's no raised mound and a much smaller percolation area. Suitable for sites where there's high water table, high bedrock, or sites with restricted space to work with. As part of our full turnkey solution, we also have our own in-house engineers. So any works that we design, we also oversee and provide a letter to certify that all works are done in compliance with the planning conditions. If you have any upcoming projects, whether it be for domestic, commercial, industrial, agricultural, please contact us on 021 477 1000 or email us anytime at info@irelandwastewater.ie.
Hi, my name is Jean Chewy, and together with my husband Johnny, we own Noan House Bed and Breakfast. We are based here in the village of Ballylore, just outside Cashel, County Tipperary. About 18 months ago, we were awarded a grant, and that grant has allowed us to develop our business. We have an old stable yard, and we are currently converting them into 2 self-catering lodges. On foot of that, we had to apply for planning, get an architect, and all that goes with it. Ireland Wastewater were highly recommended by our architect to carry out a percolation test. I spoke to a lovely girl called Avril, and in fairness, Avril came up and carried out the percolation test and did an A to Z of a report, which I didn't actually realise the detail of the report that was required to go into planning. I kind of knew from that, to be honest, that they were the right company to go with. After the percolation test was done, it was decided that we needed a full upgrade on our wastewater treatment system. Now that the job is complete, we're absolutely delighted, and I would highly recommend Ireland Wastewater to install a new treatment system if you're looking for one.